I would define beauty from the inside out, how you treat yourself, how you treat your family and your friends and everyone else around you, even strangers. Treatments at Juvly definitely help build confidence. You look and feel your best. I walked in not expecting to, ever leave a permanent client. It's always phenomenal. The team's great. Everyone's very patient. I've also brought lots of friends for their first time, and I've watched, time after time, multiple people get the same great service and the same individualized attention. Self-love is important because if you don't love yourself, you're never, ever gonna be able to love anyone else. I am always excited. I know that it's gonna be a great experience every time I come. Becoming a Juvly client has definitely changed my life and helped build confidence. Beauty comes from the inside out, but sometimes it's nice to have a little help on the outside.